This is lesson 1 of Python for data analysis. Welcome to the YouTube channel. The content is all new for 2018 and 2019. My name is Luke Thompson. I am a lecturer at the Scripps Institution of Oceanography. And this YouTube channel is derived from an Introduction to Python course that's taught at Scripps. To get the most out of these lessons, you should follow along with the GitHub page, which is shown here. The GitHub page contains the schedule for the course, the lessons for each day, and the assignments for each week. There are 10 weeks and 20 lessons in total. Now let me walk you through the GitHub page briefly. At the top here is the web link. This is github.com/cuttlefish with 2 H's and then Python for data analysis. At the top here is shown all the files for the repository, assignments, data, and lessons. You'll start with the lessons, and then when you're ready to do each assignment, those are found under assignments, and then data that might be used in the lessons or in the assignments is there. The README file here contains the syllabus for the course. You can read through this. We're covering Python 3 with IPython with the IPython environment and Jupyter notebooks, and Conda for package management and virtual environments. And I should say that this is, of course, an introductory course for data analysis using Python, and no programming experience is necessary. Anyone can take this course if you have a basic knowledge of how to use a computer. We're going to cover the Unix command line, fundamentals of Python and its data types, data analysis packages NumPy and Pandas, plotting packages Matplotlib and Seaborn, statistics, regular expressions, interactive visualization, modules and classes, which are a somewhat more advanced topic in Python, and then Git and GitHub. There's some information about me and some information about the course. This is only relevant to people that are at Scripps, so those of you watching on YouTube, if you're not in the course, you can disregard that. There's the link to this GitHub repository where we are right now, and then the YouTube channel where you are watching this video, and then the textbooks for the course, which are linked here, and you can find them in different ways as shown in the links. There's some additional materials that you might want to look up. I won't talk about those. You can read through the course philosophy. And then there's some assignments. Grading is not relevant to those of you just following along on YouTube. This is not an online course, but you are encouraged to do all the assignments and get the most out of them. And finally, we have the schedule overview and the actual schedule itself. So, as I said, there's 20 lessons. 2 per week is the rate that we do them in class, but if you're following along on YouTube or using the GitHub page, you can go at any speed that you would like. The way we usually do lessons is I will go through the material. It's either a markdown file or usually a Jupyter IPython notebook, and then students follow along with the commands. They first download the notebook or the lesson, follow along on their computer, and practice the commands as we do them. And you're encouraged to try some different things with the commands, see what works and what doesn't work, and then the material will be reinforced with the assignments. So there's 20 lessons. I'll scroll down here at the bottom so you can see that there's 20. That's the end of the page. And a few things here so that you can see that the text in blue is links. So the links here are to the lesson files themselves. They'll take you directly to the lesson. And the links in the readings will take you to the readings if they're available online. And then we have the topic and then the corresponding assignment, which is released on the day that it's listed, and then will be due a week later. This is just for the people taking the course. Finally, at the very top of the page, there are a couple handy links. This link will scroll you down to the bottom where the lesson schedule is, and this link will take you to the lessons folder, which has the individual lessons. That's all I wanted to cover in lesson 1. Actually, if you click on lesson 1, you'll see what the material is. This is just saying that we overviewed the syllabus and the schedule. Those are linked here. And there's some information about, more follow-up introductory material about pandas, which is a Python package, and then R versus Python for data analysis. You can also click on this raw link. This will show you the actual content of that file. This is a Markdown file, and Markdown is a really handy way to render text, especially on GitHub. So that's all for today, and look forward to seeing you for lesson 2, where we begin the command line tutorial. And I hope you all join us for the whole course, and that you learn a lot and enjoy.